Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super relevant if you're living in the USA and need to send money to the UK in 2025. Whether it's for supporting family, handling international business, or just splitting travel costs, I'll walk you through the easiest and most efficient ways to do it. Let's get started. First off, why 2025? With advancements in digital finance, options are evolving fast. The key methods include traditional bank transfers, online services like Wise or Revolut, and even apps like PayPal or Venmo for smaller amounts. Each has its pros and cons, so let's break it down. Starting with bank transfers. If you bank with a major US institution like Chase or Bank of America, you can often send money directly to UK banks via SWIFT. The steps are simple. Log into your account, select International Transfer, enter the recipient's details, and confirm. It usually takes 1 to 5 business days, but watch out for high fees, which can range from $15 to $50 per transaction, plus exchange rate margins that might cost you extra. For a more modern approach, services like Wise are fantastic. They use the mid-market exchange rate, which means you get a fair deal without hidden charges. To use it, download the app, create an account, link your US bank or debit card, enter the amount in USD, and specify the UK recipient. Transfers can happen in minutes to a few hours, and fees are typically under $10. Plus, it's super secure with advanced encryption. Another option is PayPal, great for quick sends between friends or for e-commerce. Just link your accounts, select the recipient in the UK, and transfer. It's fast, often instant, but fees can add up, especially for larger amounts, and exchange rates aren't always the best. Before you hit send, always compare exchange rates using tools like Z or Google Finance, and consider the current economic climate in 2025, which might involve digital currencies or new regulations. Security is crucial too. Use two-factor authentication and avoid public Wi-Fi for transactions. In summary, choose based on your needs: speed for Wise, reliability for banks, or ease for PayPal. Always double-check recipient details to avoid errors. If you're new to this, start with a small test transfer. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more finance tips. What's your go-to method? Let me know in the comments below.